What's up, everybody? Welcome to this episode of Sunday Driver. Today we have a pretty awesome car. So a couple weeks ago we got to go see Andrew's car, which was a 240Z like this one, but his was almost like a concours restoration, like all original paint down to the stickers, everything original. This one's a little bit different. It's a little closer to how I'm looking to do up my Z. I first saw it at a Cars and Coffee a couple weeks ago, and then I happened to run across him on Instagram, and he was willing to come out. So we're gonna have a quick look over and grab some pictures, but this thing is pretty awesome. So Juan was nice enough to bring out the car for us to check it out, and yeah, man. So tell me about this car. Is that it's called Mexican Orange, right? The color? Yeah. I
believe it's a Mexican Orange.
Okay. So you said, what's a 72?
Yeah, it's a 1972 240Z.
Yeah.
And I did an engine swap, RB25 Neo.
Okay. So is the Neo the one that came in the R34?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay, so it's like the R34, like GTT or GTST.
Yeah.
Right on. And then, I mean, this thing looks pretty far from stock. I mean, once you start looking a little bit closer. So how about the brakes that you have in there?
I got the Arizona Z Willwood 4-piston brakes.
Okay.
All around. And suspension is also done. Technical tuning. Front and rear control arms.
They make good stuff.
Yeah, they do. And it all fit real well.
Yeah. Pretty like bolt on, easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got the BC coils on mine, and they were welded. Are these the same thing? You have to kind of weld in the perches to make them work?
Yeah, same thing, BC coils. And they
were... Oh, you went with BCs? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think I went a little too stiff. I think I got like 8K front, 7K rear, and it was like a little bit too stiff for the street, because I remember they had on there like their suggested spring rate, and I was like, oh no, it's a race car, I'm gonna go stiffer, and then I'm like bouncing down the street. But
I have 5K on them and they're still too stiff.
Yeah,
so I mean, for me, because I drive it, you know, I don't really track it,
right?
So,
and for a street car, you really don't need it to be that stiff. And like these cars are so light that it's not enough to make the springs like fully compressed to give a smoother ride. But why don't we have a look at the engine?
Yeah. You're gonna have to help me push it down.
Okay. Push it while you open it?
Yeah.
There it is. So is this kind of one of those things where you're like collecting parts for a long time, and then like after you finally had all the parts, you took it in and put everything together?
Yeah, it's mostly like after I found out I couldn't do it, I just took it to a shop. Yeah. So I wanted a clean swap, and just decided to take it in so it can get done, because it was just sitting in my garage for too long. And
yeah, I hear you there.
I knew I wasn't gonna get to it as fast as I wanted to.
Yeah. After a while, you're just kind of like, all right, let's just get this thing done, you know? It's like better to just actually drive it, you know?
Yeah.
So what all did they do in here? It looks really clean.
So it has a CX Racing exhaust manifold, precision turbo, Mission Moto radiator.
What size turbo did you go with?
It's a 5862.
Okay.
It might be a little too big, but
is it boosting like a little late or a little laggy?
I think it's all right, but yeah, it could be once I push more horsepower, then you know I won't need to upgrade the turbo again. So.
Oh right, that'll be good. And then you went through, painted the engine bay. How about interior wise? You change up anything in there?
Interior is all stock. It's just how I got it.
That's the way to do it. I mean, it's such a nice, clean design from Datsun, you know. And you have the holy grail, the original uncracked dash.
Yeah, a lot of people think it's a dash cover, but it's not a dash cover.
Dude, for Z guys and like S chassis guys, that's like, if you can find one, you'd be pretty stoked on that. So that's rad. And you went with the 16-inch tires, or wheels all around?
Yeah, 16-inch and tires are 225/50.
Yeah, that's a lot of tire for this car.
Yeah.
You're able to fit it all under there though. Yeah, when I had my, let's see, when I had my first Z, so I went to ZG flares, and then I went from having like the little tiny stock wheels to 16 by 10 Steelies, and they were so heavy that they just killed the horsepower on that car. Yeah, so this time around I'm gonna go probably with 15s. Yeah.
It's a good size.
Yeah. Do you have a hard time finding tires in 16s?
Actually, I know 15s are harder to get, and they're a lot more pricier. So my first choice was 15s, but
yeah, as far as
tires were gonna be a pain, so I just went 16s. And my friend actually sold me the tire and wheel combo and the
awesome.
What's it called, the Willwoods?
Yeah.
So he had them in his race car, and then he ended up selling them to me because he was
nice.
it out.
Nice. So you get like a good package deal on it.
Yeah, he's a real nice guy, and
nice.
Hooked me up.
Right on. What did you go with the Subaru swap for the diff?
No, it's R200 Torsen diff, I believe.
Torsen diff. Oh. But it's a limited slip.
Yeah.
Yeah, that helps for sure. You don't be doing a one tire fire coming out of every corner, you know.
You can look under it. It's
Let's see.
I'm not sure.
Looks clean though. Dude, those arms look so much nicer. It was funny when I was looking under. You might know Andrew, his car. So with the stock arms, they don't have like a left and a right. They literally just turn it the other way. So it's like you can see the support only on one side with the original control arms. It's pretty funny. So tell me about plans for this car. I mean, you kind of just like it where it's at, or?
No, actually, the guy who sold me the engine swap.
Yeah.
He sold me the swap with the RB20. So
yeah.
I know it's a bad transmission. So it grinds all the time, but I'm just waiting for it to like break, or I don't know, like save up a little bit more money and do a RB25 transmission.
Yeah.
Also upgrade to the GTR34 coil packs. So
okay. What do you have on there now?
Just stock.
Okay.
Coils, yeah.
What does it help you make more power if you have the different coils on it, or?
They're just way better, yeah. And
okay.
I think they're the best for the RBs and like 2Js, 1J. They've proven that, you know, they're one of the best swaps you can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So who did the swap then?
It's a shop down in El Cajon. It's called the Original Garage Build.
Dude, so actually when I crashed my 71, I basically took all the parts out and then I ended up selling it, but one of their customers bought it. So my car's sitting in their shop maybe still.
Oh, I've seen it. I've seen it.
Have you really?
Yeah,
dude.
They cut out the front.
How does it look?
I think they're getting back to it.
Oh, dude, that's good to hear. Yeah. That was my baby for a while, so I was just happy to see, because I remember the guy was telling me he's like going to do a track build and he's going to put a V8 in it and go all crazy, so I was happy that somebody's going to do something rad with it.
They'll for sure do something to it.
Yeah. Right on, man. Can we hear it?
Yeah.
Do you have a resonator on it, or is it just the muffler
at
the end?
Yeah, it has a resonator on it.
Yeah, that makes it sweet. Yeah, at that volume you're not going to be attracting too much unwanted attention, which is good. Cool, man.
I can rev it though.
Sure. Just a little bit. That thing sounds so good. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a fun car.
Yeah, don't ever sell it. Right on, man. Let's get some pictures. This is still pretty loud though. About to go for a quick drive. We're gonna go hit another spot and grab some more pictures and hopefully see what this girl's got.
Right now I have it on 5 pounds.
5 pounds what?
5 pounds of boost.
Oh shoot, what's the max?
14.
Oh shoot, so it's just like for cruising and then for boosting. Dude, it still moves pretty good at 5 pounds. A hell of a lot better than my L26.
Brakes are good.
Oh. Let's do it. So that was 5 pounds going to a 14-pound lunch. Here we go. Oh, holy shit. This thing is nutty, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, even through here.
Yeah,
This thing's a ripper, dude. Sounds so good. We're gonna see what she's got. Let's hear that RB25 power. Oh my god. If anyone decides they have too many RB25s laying around their garage, please let me know in the comment section. I can help you out with that.